Welcome to another chapter of the adult craft at the Milford Public Library. Today we're going to be making these paper fans, which are great for the summertime, and they're small enough so they can fit in your purse. You can pick up a kit at the circulation desk on the upper level of the library, and in the kit you will find that it has cardstock, and it has decorative paper, and a rivet, and a tassel. I want to thank the Friends of the Milford Library for supporting us in all of the programming that we do. And let's get started. The first thing that you should do is take your pieces of cardboard and glue them together so that there are two all together. You can use a glue stick for this, and I would glue it all over. You want this to be pretty strong. Once you've done that, you can cut this into 1-inch wide strips, and they look like this. And then you're going to round off the bottom. Just round it off a little bit. And then you can cut 3/4 inch wide strips out of the decorative paper. And you're going to glue that onto every one of these. You should have 14 of these. One of them may be a little wider, so you might have to cut it down. So cut these out 3/4 wide, glue them onto here, and then after you do that, you're going to punch a hole in the bottom of each one of them. Try to do it so that they're pretty much consistent. Even if you have a hole punch, that would work. But I would try to have that, make sure that they're all just about in the same place. After you've finished that, you'll have these, and all you do is just insert a rivet into all of them. You can see that it will look like this. It goes all the way through, and at the back you just close it up like that. Then you're going to need to sew a little bit, I'm afraid. And what you have to do, I'll show you the back of this. You start on one end, and you weave it in and out. So it should come up from the top, from the bottom, over the top, and then up from the bottom, over the top. Really pretty easy, but this is the correct way to do it. Otherwise, you'll get kind of a little mixed up. So once you have done that and strung it all together, you can, on the back, if you want, either, we just put a little bit of Scotch tape on it, but you can actually put a little bead of glue just so that they stay in line like that. And it will close up and it will open up. And then you're pretty much finished. All you have to do is add your tassel. So that goes right over the rivet, as you can see right here. And you have yourself a beautiful fan. Thank you all. Hope you have fun with it.